The question says modeling verbal conditions of the problem with linear inequality and parts of an automobile repair cost $175. The mechanic charges $34 per hour. If you receive an estimate for at least $226 and at most $294 for fixing a car, what is the time interval that the mechanic will be working on the job? So let's note that x should be equal to the time interval that the mechanic will be working. Let x equals to time interval of work by mechanic. Now, by the given condition, we can formulate an inequality that says at least $226, right? Less than or equal to, that is the repair cost, $175 plus 34, that are the charges, and x is the number of hours, less than or equal to 294, that is at most for fixing the car. So now we will solve the inequalities. First of all, we will actually subtract 175 on both sides. 226 minus 175 less than or equal to 175 plus 34x minus 175 less than or equal to 294 minus 175. So it will give us 51 less than or equal to 34x and less than or equal to 119, right? So up till here we have a rough situation. So on further simplification, it will give us x is less than or equal to 1.5 or less than or equal to 3.5. So we can write that it will be between 1.5 to 3.5 hours, that is our x.